What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be doing a 2021 Toyota 4Runner key. This is the Dubs hardware case, and inside you get your release switch, your spring, your Allen bolts or screws, a little Allen wrench. This kit comes in around $20 to $25 depending on what color you get. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get it on Amazon. So let's go ahead and start. Alright guys, so let's get started. So first thing we gotta do, get the old key, press this tab right here, and your key's gonna slide out. Then we're gonna rotate it over. And here we can split it apart with the key, just like that. And we're gonna flip it over. Battery goes where the battery is on here, just like this. Nice fit. You can see a membrane in here along with your buttons. So we're going to take the membrane. Remember, there's only one for the red. So grab this, put the red button down, and just remember which way you had that. Take the other two buttons out. Put them in there just like that. Aha. So the top one's a little tricky. I didn't pay attention. You slide the top one in like that, and the bottom one, because I don't think I was in focus, slides in like that. Now we'll take the membrane, set it back on there, just to keep all that together. And as you can see how this button is, it's got a lever spring, and this one doesn't. This one has a different mechanism spring-wise. So what we got to do is take the bottom of the case, fit that spring on here, a little tricky to do with the camera in my way. We'll get it. We'll get it. And I do apologize if anything gets out of focus while I'm doing this. So we'll hold that there. Bring the membrane around. Drop them together. Perfect. Just like that. Now I'll go ahead and secure it with the 4 provided Allen bolts. Allen screws, bolts, whatever you want to call them. Do one in each corner for now, for the sake of this video being too long. Go ahead, put the key in, clicks in, perfect. Releases, clicks in, good to go. Nice. Looks way better than the factory. Very simple mod to do. Again, there'll be links in the description on where you can get this with Amazon. So, if you have any questions, go ahead and comment them below. Thank you for watching.